Looking for a hands-on security conference that gives you the opportunity to network with industry experts and fellow security professionals? Look no further than Nelly Security Conference 2023. This premier event is designed with you in mind, offering cutting-edge product showcases, engaging tech training, presentations and Q&As with our manufacturers, and opportunities to win exciting giveaways. NSC 23 is the ultimate destination for security installers, integrators, dealers, and resellers. You won't want to miss out on brand showcases from top industry names, including Uniview, Hanwha, PDK, 2GIG, R-Series, ZKTeco, Qolsys, and Akuvox. Plus, you'll have the chance to network with brand ambassadors and experts. And with complimentary food and drinks provided throughout the event, NSC 23 is the perfect environment to build relationships and gain valuable insights from the brightest minds in our industry. If you're a security professional, installer, integrator, reseller, you can't miss out on this game-changing experience. The best part? The event is completely free for all security dealers. Registering is easy. Simply visit our website and secure your spot. Click on the link provided to be taken right to the page. NSC 23 is taking place May 19th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The venue in which we're holding this event is conveniently located at one of the best hotels in Tulsa. So even if you're traveling from out of state, trust us, this conference is completely worth the trip. At Nelly Security, we're dedicated to bringing together the best and brightest minds in the industry to share their knowledge and expertise. With NSC 23, we're confident we've achieved that. Don't miss your chance to be a part of this groundbreaking event. RSVP today to secure your spot.